geospatial technology is a really powerful tool which has simplified our lives. Earth observation has massive potential to solve grassroots problems. Earth observation allows monitoring geographic phenomena from space. Today, using a mobile GPS device, we can easily locate and navigate to any place on Earth. The high resolution satellite imagery and simple mobile apps allows us to view the entire Earth in three dimensions. With the prevalence of internet and now the emergence of Web 2.0 technology, the collection, distribution and publication of geospatial data has increased tremendously.
People Participation Geographic Information System, or PPGIS, is an emerging field in geospatial technology. Participatory GIS, or PGIS, and Voluntary Geographic Information, VGI, are variants of this PPGIS concept. In PPGIS, we use digital maps, satellite imagery, sketch maps, and many visual tools to bring directly the public involvement and awareness on a local level. The PPGIS is a real game changer in that the information flows not only from the government sources to the public through portals, but also from the public to the government through these portals for stronger societal benefits. Here, citizens become virtual sensors to capture and share information with the government in mapping and decision-making processes. In PPGIS, not only professionals but also general public can actively participate. Crowdsourcing is a web-based mapping solution when the spatial data is sought from a group of citizens, especially from an online community. The crowdsourcing can help in making superior decisions from all data collected.
Crowdsourcing is a distributed problem solving model in which crowd is engaged to solve the problem on demand. In geospatial domain, crowdsourcing has other names such as participatory GIS, voluntarily geographic information, and collaborative mapping. In non-spatial domain, Wikipedia is the best example of crowdsourcing where people creates or updates wiki pages. In spatial domain, OpenStreetMap is a collaborative project to create a free editable map of the world. OpenStreetMap data has grown exponentially over the years. There are some cool advantages and unique points about crowdsourcing. It's an efficient approach to generate tremendous amount of data in near real time. Smartphones with camera, GPS and internet access are very popular. Inexpensive mobile phones with free apps are a fun way to involve people to collaborate. Crowdsourcing make use of gamut of technologies. Forerunners are positioning system, smartphones, communication, mobile apps, client server and geographical information system. Positioning system determines the location of an object on Earth from satellites. Minimum 3 satellites are required to determine accurate position based on trilateration principle. Different kind of positioning systems are available like the Indian IRNSS, American GPS, Russian GLONASS and European Galileo. Smartphone is an incredible device which has inbuilt internet access, GPS, camera, media player and much more. What makes it more powerful are the mobile apps that run on mobile devices like WhatsApp, Facebook and Subway Surfer. Mobile communication allows smartphones to interact with centralized server through wireless communication. Common examples are 2G, GPRS, 3G and Wi-Fi. Mobile-based data collection follows client-server architecture with the server residing at remote location. Geographical information system is a system that allows to capture, store, manipulate and analyze the geospatial data. It has touched the life of many people, right from choosing the shortest path to navigating from one place to another. Crowdsourcing apps are available online like Bhuvan POI, Point of Interest app, available at Bhuvan portal. On installation, you have the power to generate crowdsourced geotagged data. You can use the mobile camera and GPS to capture the information for any point of interest. Imagine hundreds of such users sending data simultaneously to the server, creating tremendous volume of user verified data rapidly. Data quality is an issue in crowdsourcing. However, it can be handled through proper verification and validation processes. This data can be visualized on any virtual globes such as Bhuvan.
The enormous potential of volunteered spatial data by public using modern tools can serve a variety of applications. For example, if we have locations of schools available with us, a simple spatial analysis in GIS along with demographic data and locations of settlements can help us find the new locations for putting up additional schools. Recently, in 2013, after the Kedarnath disaster in Uttarakhand, a unique program called Map the Neighborhood in Uttarakhand, in short MANU, was taken up with an objective to have first cut assessment of damage. This was the first attempt in the country where public has contributed in such a big way in data generation using a simple mobile app. In this program, local students from Garhwal and Kumai universities have done a wonderful job in generating a huge amount of data at over 19,000 locations, reporting damage to different types of structures and natural resources, besides collecting data about landslides and public utilities. The spatial analysis of these data provided an insight on patterns and controls of damage. The simple overlay analysis in GIS tells us that most of the damage has taken place in close proximity to the streams and in loose sediments. Such an understanding is the key for developmental planning in the Himalayan terrain.
There are vast examples of crowdsourcing both globally and locally. Examples of global applications are Wikimapia, Google Map Maker and Ushahidi. In India, we have ISRO's Bhuvan portal. Examples: Manu, Map the Neighborhood of Uttarakhand; Andhra Pradesh State Housing Corporation. In spite of many advantages, there are few issues with crowdsourcing. Problem of data quality, since task is not handled by the specialist. Network connectivity is must for sending collected crowdsourced data. Apps for each platform needs to be developed to promote wider audiences. Volunteers' safety during data collection is an important issue, especially in harsh terrains. Training of volunteers for data collection and analysis is required.